So if you've got an issue where your steering wheel controls aren't working, they're not lighting up, and your horns aren't working either, in this video I'm going to show you to fix it. Hi and welcome to another video from North Coast Workshop. It's the joys of owning a Seat Leon is that there's always things going wrong with it. That's fortunate for me though, because I can create content on how to fix it, or hopefully fix it. So in today's video, what's happened is the steering wheel controls on my car stopped working, they're not lighting up, the horn's not working either, and yesterday I just noticed that the cruise control's not working as well. So the plan is to switch out a thing called a slip ring. I bought a replacement, and what we're going to do is remove the airbag, the steering wheel, pull them all off, switch out the old slip ring for the new one, pop them back together, and hopefully that fixes the issue. So let's get stuck in. So that's it, it's all working fine, successful job, it's all changed over and everything's working perfectly since I've switched it over. So I haven't had a chance to test cruise control yet, but that should be working no bother as well. There was a few mentions online about things having to be copied across from the old one to the new one with something like VACOM, but so far there's no need for it on my one. But I'll pop a few screenshots from my phone of the system settings that I took before I changed mine out, in case you have to copy it across yourself. And what I'm planning on doing as well is maybe taking apart the old slip ring to see what's wrong with it. If I can fix it, that's fine, I'll use it as a spare. This new one cost me 170 quid, so a spare one will be quite handy to have, especially because of the value of it. And now I better tidy the car up, this is an absolute bin. So thanks again for watching, really appreciate it. Hit the thumbs up button if you found the video useful, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.